Very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is a path to progression, building and nurturing relationships. Ladies and gentlemen, progression is the essence of existence, shaping individuals, communities, and societies alike. It is the bridge between aspirations and achievements, between potential and realization. Yet, progression is not a solitary pursuit. It is an intricate interplay of competence, character, and connection. The ability to build and nurture relationships stands as one of the most defining elements of sustainable advancement in any sphere of life. Let's examine the core elements of progression and its relevance to relationship. 1. Competency as a fundamental necessity. Competency remains the bedrock of sustainability in progression. It is the foundation upon which careers are built, businesses thrive, and institutions endure. However, competency alone is rarely sufficient. Beyond expertise and technical prowess, the ability to harmonize with peers, foster collaboration, and embrace synergy to build relationships paves the way for greater possibilities and opportunities. History offers ample testimony to this truth. Leaders who have inspired generations, pioneers who have shaped industries, and visionaries who have transformed societies have all recognized the power of relationships. As the ancient Chinese philosopher Confucius wisely stated, to practice 5 things under all circumstances constitutes perfect virtue. And these 5 things are gravity, generosity of soul, sincerity, earnestness, and kindness. These virtues, when applied in relationships, unlock doors to trust, influence, and meaningful progression. Second, the role of personality in sustainable growth. While professional credentials and achievements may command attention, it is personality that sustains growth. A well-groomed personality, one that exudes integrity, adaptability, and emotional intelligence, transcends mere profiles and accolades. Personality is not an inherited trait. It is cultivated through conscious effort. Among its many facets, the ability to nurture relationships is paramount. Relationships, when built on respect and mutual understanding, serve as the bedrock of both personal and professional success. Third, relationships and the power of communication. Central to strong relationships is the art of communication. Words have the power to build bridges or erect walls, to inspire or to alienate. Effective communication is not merely about articulation. It is about empathy, clarity, and active listening. The most influential individuals in history have not only possessed knowledge but have also mastered the skill of conveying it with impact. In a world that is increasingly fast-paced and demanding, the ability to connect through meaningful communication remains a distinguishing factor for sustained growth and progress. Let's look at navigating the challenges of a demanding world of today. Today's world presents relentless challenges that necessitate adaptability and resilience. The pressures of competition, evolving dynamics of professional spaces, and shifting societal norms require individuals to continuously evolve. The ability to cultivate and sustain meaningful relationships, complemented by strong communication skills, is an invaluable asset in navigating these complexities. This extends not only to professional circles but also within families where strong relationships form the foundation of emotional well-being and stability. The human journey is not a solitary one. It thrives on the strength of connections forged along the way. Let's look at the way forward. The path to sustainable progression lies in the conscious development of interpersonal skills and the nurturing of relationships. Investing in relationships, fostering trust, and mastering the art of communication will not only ensure success but also enrich the journey. Strengthening emotional intelligence, practicing humility, and approaching relationships with sincerity and respect are critical in this pursuit. As the great poet Rumi once said, "Be like a tree and let the dead leaves drop. Shed negativity, embrace growth, and build relationships that stand the test of time." In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, true progression is not measured by accolades or titles, but by the depth of impact left on the lives touched along the way. The ability to foster meaningful relationships rooted in trust and effective communication is the cornerstone of long-term success. As the ancient Indian wisdom states, one who maintains pure, unshaken relationships even in the face of adversity is truly strong. Relationships are the silent architects of destiny, shaping both personal and professional triumphs. When cultivated with care and sincerity, they form the foundation of a legacy that endures beyond time. As the Bhagavad Gita proclaims, giving without expecting reciprocation is the essence of Karma Yoga. When individuals act out of love and selflessness, relationships take on a more genuine and less transactional quality. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.